Hello, this is Cici from INEO. We are commercial kitchen equipment manufacturer with over 50 years of experience, and we have done 2,500 projects over 148 countries. And we are specialized in cooperate with the hotel, with the restaurant, or also the social restaurant. And some of our products also have the CE certificate. And what we can provide with you, actually we can provide with you with the one-stop kitchen solution. For the first, we can provide with you the cooking equipment, the refrigeration equipment, the bakery equipment, and the buffet supply, and the food preparation, and the dishwasher equipment, and the kitchen small reels, and also the laundry equipment. Also the furniture, we also can provide with you. Okay, uh, what we can provide with you for the service. For the first, we can provide with you with the on-site measurement. After you cooperate with us and purchasing the equipment from us, we can help you to do the measurements on your local restaurant if you have this requirement. Also, we can provide with you with the kitchen design surveys. If you have a kitchen, you can come to us and we can help you to do the professional kitchen for you because we have our professional design team. Also, we have our logistic team. If you don't have the shipping agent, you can also come to us. We can also help you ship the goods to your local country. Also, we have the on-site installation. At the moment, we have our installation team in Maldives. We have many Maldives customers who need us to do the installation for them. So after hearing their requirement, we build an installation team in Maldives. And also, we will change the training the machine and the equipment. Also, we also have 24 hours on-site after sales team. If you have any question about our equipment, you can also feel free to contact us. We can provide with you with 20 hours online after sales. Also, for our equipment, all of our equipment have 1 year warranty. So during this 1 year, we can provide with you with the spare part free of charge. Okay, let me show you some project we once made. And here is some of our successful projects we once made over 148 countries. For example, you can see here the Hilton in Maldives, also the resting. Let me show you the Hilton project for you. At that time, when the owner came to us, he only had an idea. But after 5 years, we making so much efforts and so much design and so much discussion with each other, we have made this idea into the reality. Yes. So we are professional in making the resorts project. Also, we also have another project like the social restaurant. We also can make for you. Okay, let me show you our best-selling equipment for you. And this is one set of our best-selling cooking equipment. This is the 4-headed pot stove with the gas oven. From here, you can see that each flower plane can be held up separately, so it is very easy to do the cleaning. Yes, and see here. Here is not welding, so there is no gap. So it is very easy for us to do the cleaning. And then there has 4 switches. Each switch can control each power plane separately. And there also has the electric ignition. After we made this electric ignition, it is no need for us to use the light gun to light up the fire. And here is the bottom convection oven. In the inner side, there has a fan. For the principle of the fan is the hot ring circulation, so it can ensure the even heat for the food. So the food quality is can ensure very good. And here is the pulse ignition, and this is the temperature controller, and this is the handle. Okay, let's see here. This is the gas griddle. For this gas griddle, here has a special design, and there has a double guideline. The oil can flow through here and then into this little hole, and then the race can select in this trays. So, and this tray we also can be very easy to do the cleaning. And this is the temperature controller. This is the pulse ignition. Okay, now let's see this part. This part is the grill. For the cooking area, we have made a 300-degree high temperature crab. So the quality is very good, and it has a long lifespan, and it's not easy to be destroyed. And here also has the little hole for us to collect the rays here. And this is the switch, and this is the pulse ignition. Okay, now let's see this is the single fire, and this is the breast key, and there also has two lines for us to control how much oil you need to put for one time. Okay, and this is the house ignition, and this is the temperature controller, and here also has the high temperature protection. And this is the inner structure of the fire, and the oil rays can flow through this hole. Okay, and for this equipment, you can also see that it is the brick shape, so it is very easy for us to do the cleaning. Moreover, you can see here for the food, it is adjustable, so it is very easy for you to do the operation for this equipment. And then there also has a special design, and you can see here it's round, so the water is not easy to flow in the inner side of our cooking equipment. The water can drop off the floor directly, so it is not easy for the oil to destroy our cooking equipment. Okay, I have finished recommend our booth briefly and our cooking equipment. During this process, if you have any ideas, you can just feel free to contact us.